the ultimate bone grafting workshop. One of the most common questions I get asked by doctors is, Dr. K, can you help me figure out when to do ridge preservation alone versus ridge preservation with guided bone regeneration, or even ridge preservation with contour grafting and a VIP CT graft? The answer is absolutely yes. The ultimate bone grafting workshop is for this specific reason. If you're just starting off into extractions and regenerations and you want to preserve and develop your sites for future implant placement, or if you've been doing implants and find the number one challenge, like most of us facing dental implants, is inadequate foundation, or even if you're a specialist doing this for many years and looking for the most up-to-date techniques to make your bone grafting more predictable and more consistent, this workshop is for you. What it is, it's a 2-day hands-on workshop, very heavy on hands-on practical. We've got a lot of didactic, most up-to-date evidence-based literature, but incorporate it for clinical practice. What it does, it gives you all the skill set needed, all the knowledge, up-to-date techniques needed to become more consistent and more predictable in your surgical outcomes. What it means is it allows you to provide a wider scope of care for your patients in your practice without them having to leave. You'll get all the information so you can register for the workshop. We've got 2 dates coming up this fall, weekend as well as a non-weekend on a weekday date. If you're interested, click on the link below to register. I'm going to be sharing with you over 20 years of surgical experience, sharing my successes, but more importantly, my failures, so you can learn from them and leapfrog your career forward. Picture the day where you know exactly what procedure to do in which case and how to predictably and consistently execute those procedures in your hands. Picture the day when your patient comes to you and says, Doc, it wasn't as bad as I made it out to be. I should have done this procedure sooner. Can we do the other side as soon as possible? That day is only 2 days away. If you're interested, check out the workshop below. What I'll leave you with is this. Consistency and predictability is the cornerstone for your patient outcomes. Predictability and consistency is the cornerstone for perfection in your surgical procedures. Consistency and predictability is the cornerstone for success of your practice, for you to be able to make the biggest impact in your community. We look forward to having you here and can't wait to spend those 2 days with you.